Hi there, students. Drone. A drone. A noun, or to drone as a verb. So funnily enough, the first thing I think of when I hear the word drone is a male bee. Yeah, a male bee is called a drone. It could also be a male ant or a male wasp. They don't work, but they fertilize the queen. Okay, so a drone, it's a type of bee, a masculine male bee. Then also, obviously, I'm sure you all know the meaning of a drone, a remote controlled aircraft. Yeah, the Americans used a drone to make an attack in Afghanistan. Okay, a drone could carry a camera to see what is happening in a dangerous place. Yeah, and then finally, as a verb, to drone. Okay, to go on and on, to make a low-pitched hum or a buzz. The machine was droning. It was going on and on. Yeah, it was making this noise. And I've actually already got a video of to drone on, to keep talking at length, to repeat and repeat. So the teacher droned on, and all of the students fell asleep. Okay, so the drone, a male bee. So the drones only go on the queen with their nuptial flight, but they don't do any work. They're rather lazy, and they just eat and lay about. Okay, a drone, a remote controlled aircraft. People like drones. I think drones are very much in fashion nowadays, and they definitely use drones in warfare. And then a drone, or to drone, is this humming sound. I could hear the drone of the traffic from my bedroom. Yeah, the drone of the refrigerator kept me awake and I couldn't see. Yeah, actually notice, and then to drone on, to continue. Notice in music, a drone is actually one of the fixed pipes in a bagpipe, but that's really rather technical. Yeah, stop droning on and just get to the point. Yeah, he's always droning on about his problems, buzzing, humming on, not stopping. So let's see, what about the formality of these words? Well, I think the drone as the bee or the wasp, this is a technical word. I would give it 5 in formality. It is what it is. And then the drone as an aircraft, again 5 in formality. It is what it is. I think to drone as a verb, I think I would give 5 in formality, although the phrasal verb to drone on, I think I would probably give 4.5. I wouldn't use this in a very formal writing. I think you could use it in something semi-formal. Notice as well, to drone is a regular verb. The traffic droned. He's droned on all day. Okay, so to drone. And then as to origin, well, I think they say that the origins between the of the male bee and the aircraft come from Old English dran, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic drenaz, an insect or a drone, drenuz, and then even Proto-Indo-European dren, a bee or a hornet. A hornet's like a great big bee. They say that the sound, although to me the sound of the horn of the male bee is a droning sound. The workers have a higher pitch, whereas the drones is the sound they make. But they say that this comes from the Middle English word drunen, to roar or to bellow, that from Proto-Germanic, drunjana, to drone or to roar, and from Proto-Indo-European, dr, to roar, to hum, or to drone. Okay, so to drone, to speak in a monotonous way. He droned on for hours. The drone of their voices was unbearable. The drones in a beehive don't do any work, and he used a drone to take wonderful photographs of the area. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Drone.